Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. It's Booker Williams coming to you back with another video. And I've had a few people just send me an inbox and ask me, what's this program that I'm promoting? Well, guys, I'm going to tell you, I will send you the information, but what I want to share with you is the reason why I chose affiliate marketing. Well, first of all, in affiliate marketing, you have to choose the right products that people want, and they don't cut your money. Say, for instance, you sell a product for $200 or 500, you get the whole 500, not a 50 or $100 commission. So you get 100% of whatever the customer pays. And then the second reason is I have a system that's automated. It does all the selling and telling for me. So that means I don't have to chase down my friends and family to get products. Like a lot of people are taught, just chase people down. But one thing I know, if you chase people down, guess what? They gonna run quicker. I tell people, keep your friends and family your friends and family. If people want it, they will get it. So choose a system that does it for you, because if you're doing this on a part-time basis, let's say you work a job for 8 hours, then you have to drive for another hour. So that's 9 hours gone. And then when you get home, unless you have a lot of discipline, a lot of people are not going to put in the time. Let's be real about it. So if you got a system that does all the selling and telling for you, you're going to save yourself some time, some headache, and some stress. And the only time I get to talk to people is after they bought something. I think that's a better way. So if you want the information, you can go right over to www.enjoymylife.info, or y'all can call me, text, or whatever. 817-918-4367. I'm going to enjoy my time, because one thing about time, we can't get it back. So get you something that's going to save you some time where you actually can spend time with your family and enjoy it. All right. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. This is Booker Williams. Deuces.